Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into a flavorful world with a product that's making waves in kitchens and craft rooms alike. If you're looking to elevate your culinary creations or add a touch of luxury to your lip gloss, look no further than this: the ERCorArt Food Flavoring Oil. This isn't your ordinary flavoring oil. It's a concentrated blend designed to unlock a symphony of scents and tastes. Perfect for everything from baking and beverages to DIY projects like lip gloss and even slime making, this versatile product promises to transform your creations. Imagine infusing your homemade goodies with the essence of lemon, orange, vanilla, and more. With 16 tantalizing flavors at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cupcakes, experimenting with a new cocktail, or crafting the perfect lip gloss, this flavoring oil ensures you achieve that gourmet touch every time. What sets ERCorArt apart is their commitment to quality. Made from premium ingredients and meeting rigorous industry standards, you can rest assured that each drop is not only flavorful but also safe for consumption. It's the secret ingredient that professional chefs and DIY enthusiasts swear by. And here's the kicker: it's both water and oil soluble. That means seamless integration into any recipe, whether you're blending it into frosting or mixing it with oils for a luxurious lip gloss. It's all about convenience without compromise on quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a mixologist in training, or a DIY enthusiast exploring new frontiers, ERCorArt's food flavoring oil is your ticket to culinary creativity. Elevate your next creation with a dash of inspiration. Order yours today and see where your taste buds take you. That's all for today on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more insights into products that redefine everyday experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep critiquing. Cheers!